Welcome to Pristyn Design. My name is Adam Richardson. Today we are going to be reviewing Woodies.com. They sell bamboo sunglasses, and we're going to be looking at the website, how they can improve it to increase their conversion rates, make more sales. So first of all, we need to understand exactly the point of this website, and it's exactly what we just said. It's to sell sunglasses, okay? That's the point of any business. If that isn't your goal in the business, then you might as well give up. You want to be selling as many as you can, and then you can do whatever you want, make a difference, whatever you want to be doing, but you got to sell in order to do that. That's the main goal. Now, I've done a little bit of research, and this is definitely a fashion accessory. Of course, I didn't need to research that, but the whole point is that stuff like this, the main marketing avenue is Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook right now. Those three things, okay? That is how this business should be advertising, alright? That's how they should be telling the story. And the point that I'm making is, once people get to the website, alright, they should already know. All that the website is doing is selling the product, okay? And we're going to really focus on driving that home here today. So, with no further ado, let's jump into criticizing. Actually, one last thing. In the fashion industry, everyone, it's the word right there, fashion. They want to be fashionable. They want to be modern, trendy, cool, whatever it is. And again, in order to get people buying your products, your brand has to reflect that. And consciously or subconsciously, when there is kind of design problems and stuff that doesn't look modern or trendy or cool, then subconsciously it's kind of lessening their opinion every single time. So every single time they see something, that is. So right here we're going to focus on making some design changes, making some layout changes, and focusing on selling the product. So the first thing, I'm going to be quick here because I recorded this once and it took about 30 minutes. So the first thing here is this header. So as you can see, it's huge. Alright, so in this transparent state, this logo needs to be maybe a third smaller, 35%, 40% smaller. Okay, when you scroll down like this and it's fixed, the whole thing needs to be half that size. Okay, it doesn't need to be taking up that amount of space. Secondly, this image, they're both really good. I like all of those images. The imagery is great, but again, it's not really doing anything. It's pointless, okay, because yes, it's reflecting fun, which is great. They're sunglasses, you take them to the beach, they're trying to get across that fun atmosphere, which is great. But it's not selling our sunglasses, which is what we need to be doing. So, okay, the image is fine, but we need a call to action, alright? That's something we need to add in there. And wherever you want to put it, maybe in this corner, whatever, but you need to have a call to action. Okay, buy sunglasses now, maybe a bit of information. Here's an example: Rogue Fitness, CrossFit equipment, the Ohio bar. Rogue Fitness, if you go look at the social media and that, they have athletes, they have loads of women and stuff they could be posting, models and all of that on the website, a bit of eye candy, so to speak, but they're not. They've got a product of these ugly ass bars and bumper plates. They're not ugly, but you get my point. And they've got a shop now, call to action. Again, bumper plates, simple, call to action. They're not trying to tell a story. They're making it as easy as possible to buy their products, okay? Social media is to tell stories, okay? Websites aren't. They're to sell shit. So, this section here, again, I went into detail in the last video, but I'm not going to. It's horrible. It needs to go. Again, they've probably just come from Instagram because that's why you're marketing. Again, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, three main marketing tools right now, especially for a business like this. Okay, you don't want to be sending them back there. You've got them to the destination. Okay, they're on your website. You don't want to be getting them off it back to Instagram. Okay, you want to be getting people from Instagram to your website to buy your sunglasses, not the other way around. Okay, this is your prime real estate right now. Okay, if your whole website is the world, This section right here is New York City, okay? It's Monaco, where the real estate price is really high, and that's where you're going to get value from. So, right here. Now, I spoke to the owner of Woodies before, and I pitched this idea already. Featured product section, it's got to be done. And before I delve into the details of that, let's quickly scroll down, and let's just establish something too. Okay, this pair of sunglasses here is the same as this one, just a different colour. It's also the same as these black ones, these pink ones, these green ones, okay? Just a different colour. And these orange ones, alright? So that's one model, it's one product. Call them like square bamboo sunglasses, call them whatever you want, but it's one model. You don't need 6 listings for it. Multiple benefits. One, all the reviews would add up to a significant number, like 100, 150, which is great. It's more impactful than having 26 here, 10 there, scattered around. And B, you don't have all these products all over the place. Okay, so now that we've established, you only have kind of 4, 5, 6 different sunglasses, maybe 2 different watches. Okay, that changes things. We're going to have 3 featured products right here. So you have your two most popular pairs of sunglasses. You have your best watch. Okay, you have whatever you want there, I don't care. Your most popular items, put them there. People are going to buy them without even looking down. They're going to buy them, okay? Beneath that, okay, now I had an idea, the last one, this is pretty cool. So this limited edition sunglasses, I do agree they should have a separate listing. This pair and this pair, they look good, I like them. So, with that being said, they're a limited edition. Why are they $60? Okay, all the rest are $60. These are $60. Those are $60. If it's limited edition, okay, that's extra value. They're exclusive. Okay, they should be a little bit more. And with that point, if you take out these 2 images right here, put them in your featured product, have your one model in your featured product, okay, you could have your 2 limited edition products here. Okay, have them the same size, show the same angle with a different background, sure. Don't have the logo, or do have the logo but have exactly the same logo if you want the logo, and go with that. These limited edition ones, they're cool. Okay, showcase them here. Put them $70, $75, whatever, but showcase them here. And then below, again, we're going to go 3 columns. Here's an example. Christian Louboutin website. Again, just looked at this in the last video, so we've got it there. Women's shoes. Look at this. They're all exactly the same angle, exactly the same size. We got 3 columns, and it looks perfect. It looks amazing, okay? It really does. So that's how it should look. It should be the same angle. You should have it the same size, and 3 columns. So one here, oh, you can't see my mouse, but 3 columns. And again, you're only going to have 9 products. And that brings me on to the next point. So you would scroll past here, you'd have a nice looking header. It would look professional, sophisticated, fashionable, trendy. This font, it looks childish. Okay, we're going to change that. We're going to have a call to action here. It's going to, you know, potentially just sell right there. You know, oh my god, I love that pair of sunglasses. Buy now. Let's have them. Okay, here, featured product. Oh yeah, those are the ones in the image. Let's buy those. Okay, featured watches. 2 sunglasses, 1 watch. Go with that. Again, it's focusing on selling. Right here, we're going to showcase. Look at these limited edition ones. Look how kind of sophisticated, how advanced we are. Look at these limited edition sunglasses. You know, they're a bit extra, but they look great. You scroll down a little bit, and this is where you go into the listings like this. 3 columns. 3 columns, exactly the same angle on every single photo, and you're good to go. But don't obviously show all of these different models separately, all the different colors separately. Sorry, have your models and then have the colors available when you click through onto the thing. For example, you know, this color here should be multiple different options. Okay, there should be like bamboo, wood, sunglasses, and you should have like all the different colors here. Okay, so that's cool. Right, once you get past that, what I really do like, and remember, we'll be scrolling past the limited edition, we'll scroll past like 3 products, so we'll get to here and they'll have seen everything. Okay, by this point they'll have clicked what they like and bought if they're going to buy. Okay, if they're going to buy today, they'll have found what they liked, they'll have clicked through and they'll go buy it. All right, by this point. Okay, there's no fanning around with this. So by this point it's already done. But ignore all of this because it's obviously not going to be here. And then you come to this. I'm just ignoring Twitter for now. You come to this. This is awesome. This is really cool. Okay, but again, it needs to be part of the website. So it will be just following your products. Okay, if you want to include Twitter, all right, I would personally include it where this main menu is. And you have a menu right here, and you have a menu right here. You don't need it. If you're going to have a fixed menu, you don't need a menu in the footer too. So have Twitter again in the footer right here. This about text, this Woodies section here is really the only bit that matters. Okay, yeah, the watches, okay, you might want to say a bit about those, but again, put in a section for it. So let's try and find the section that I was on about. Where is it? Was it the homepage? Yeah, so like I said, they have like loads of different things. Like if you want to have a bit of information, which I would recommend on the sunglasses and the watches, have like an image. Not really getting a good example here, but if you have an image here, for example, of a watch, then have a bit of text here about the watches, it's fine. And then you have an image kind of here about sunglasses, text here, it's fine as long as it all fits in. But you do need to make sure it all fits in. But yeah, put the Twitter where your main menu is, and that's fine. So again, these social media icons where you have here in your footer, in between all these you should have like big social media icons. If not, just below your menu, central, big icons, kind of. If they got to the bottom of your website, they haven't bought a product, maybe get them on your social media, and you're good to go. Let's see for time. Okay, 11 minutes. We're doing well. We're doing well for time. So, like I say, that's really the main gist of it. Let's recap. So, header. This looks kind of childish. It's not sophisticated. It's not what your brand is. Okay, your brand is modern. It's trendy. You know, you're going to the beach, having fun, stuff like that. But this is childish. Okay, it's not a fashionable. And it's not a fashionable thing. This is fashionable. It looks amazing. It's professional. This isn't. Okay. Scrolling down, we have a call to action. You know, these sunglasses, we're going to go to that model. We're going to be able to buy them right off the bat. Okay. You can get plugins. I saw it on your website somewhere randomly there. This thing here. You know, I wouldn't personally use this one. There's much better solutions out there. You know, hover over the images and you know, link it to your products. Okay, if that's what you want to start incorporating, you know, incorporate it, or just incorporate a regular call to action. It's probably more effective, to be honest, right now, because that technology is new. People don't think to hover over sunglasses right now, but if you have an option saying, you know, read more or buy now, then they do. So definitely just buy now on there, get them done. And also all of your header images, they're showing off this one, what I would call like the square wooden sunglasses that you have 6 or 7 different colours of. Okay, showcase some watches, showcase a different pair of sunglasses on there, get different perspectives. Okay, so call to action on every single slide, otherwise there's no point. Get a call to action in there. This section here, get rid of it. Get in featured products. Okay, featured products with add to cart buttons. Okay, we can have again, quick view is not working apparently. Oh, there we go. Yeah, quick view is cool. Like it's a nice little feature, but again, like just actually clicking on it and seeing more information and stuff is also good. But yeah, so quick view, yeah, that's fine. Get it on there with your featured products. Get it on there, and then here again, you can feature your limited edition products at the top, kind of show extra value. And then we go into something like you've seen before, this sort of situation. 3 products, same angle, same thing, professional. You know, you'd scroll past you would only have like 3 rows of 3. You'd scroll past, then you'd meet your Instagram, which again looks great. Meet your footer, which would just have kind of this information here. You wouldn't have all this white space, which is horrendous. And again, you would have your social media links, icons in the footer. Again, you could also add those in the header. Look, there's all this white space. If you do want a big header, you know, at least make use of it. I wouldn't recommend it. I would recommend shrinking the header. But anyway, a quick note on the blog as well. Not keen on the way that this is laid out. Too much white space here. It's wasted and too unorganized. There's no categorization or dates or anything like that. So, excuse me, get some structure to it. And guys, remember, this is to sell your products, okay? Or to get more marketing, to get more people here. So if you're doing competitions and stuff, that's fine. I saw you doing some stuff like that. But again, you need products like on this left hand side in all the white space. Have like most popular products listed there so people can just go and buy them. Does that make sense? So I hope this is some good insight right now. It's not just about Woodies, guys. It's about every single business out there. There's so many websites. And once they fix these problems, okay, I guarantee you, I'll be able to come up with 10 more solutions to problems they didn't even know they had, okay? We haven't even talked about proper marketing. We haven't even talked about search engine optimization or anything like that. We haven't done A/B testing. You know, there's so many different things we can get to perfect and get the highest conversions possible from your website. And we're going to discuss that. Hopefully, we'll be able to work with Woodies again in the future and come back and review it. And, you know, I can prove my point. Right now I know their conversion rate. I'd love to come back in a month and say, look, hey, we doubled this conversion rate by making these tiny changes for this brand, for this company. That's what we're about here. That's what we've done in the past. And that's what we're going to hopefully document now over YouTube videos so you guys can see it happening in real time, see how easy it is to get it done. So again, if you'd like your website reviewed, hit us up, Pristyn Design, and let us know. I hope this offers some value. Please don't take this all negatively to Woodies, because they're an established business. They're selling stuff online in such a saturated market, and that right there is an achievement in and of itself. So, like I say, not all negative. It's just all about improving, making it sustainable. So, we'll see you next time.